Hello everyone. Just got a package today, mail from Amazon on a Sunday. Ordered a few things a couple days ago and they got here within 2 days of ordering, delivered on a Sunday morning of all things. I'm amazed, impressed. Amazon Prime. One of the things I ordered was these fastening tool for cable tie. Yeah, they're just some cable tie tensioners. I had a cheap plastic pair that broke on me, and these are heavy and got good reviews. I'll show those later. Another thing I ordered was a cable. It's like an extension cable for my code reader. Because the cord on the code reader itself is like really short. This is, I think, 3 meters. I'm not sure. I don't remember. Only ordered it like 2 days ago and I've already forgotten. It's been on my wish list for a while and I was ordering some other things, so I just decided to add this to the order. Hold on a second here. It's hard filming with one hand and I'm trying to... There we go. Okay. So yeah. Yay long. 5 feet, I'd guess. 5 foot cable. So there's that. For anybody interested, the cable tool is, I don't know, is there even a brand? Made in China. I don't know. The part number is HS519. Yeah, no brand to speak of. High quality solutions. I don't know. Orange box. It's on Amazon. And another thing I ordered was some red carbon fiber vinyl tape. Vinyl wrap tape. I was thinking of wrapping the corner trim pieces on the toolbox and possibly the drawer edges. Just thinking that might look cool. Rather than painting them for now, thought that might look pretty spiffy in red carbon fiber. I don't know. And it was cheap enough. This was like 15 bucks for a roll. And it's 2 inches wide, which is what these corner things are, 1 inch by 1 inch. And should cover the handle pretty well too. And forget the exact length, but it should do. Well, I'll give it a try anyway and see how it works. It looks nice. It's got a nice carbon fiber weave to it. Looks pretty cool. Some dirt there. Yeah, should look interesting. So yeah, I'll try the cable tie thing quickly here. So I can do this one hand. I will hold on. I'll start the wire here. I'll just go around. Let's see, what can this fit around? I'll just set you right there for a second here. I'll put it around this cup holder. No, we won't do that. Let's see. There we go. Good old WD-40 can. Stick the wire tie around there. Get it started. Don't know. Let's see. You can see that? Okay, we'll put it through there. Get my arm out of the way. Get it started in there. Okay, back up here.